How to play Roblox on two accounts at the same time. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about how you can play Roblox on two different accounts at the same time in your same PC. So you need both of the Roblox versions downloaded in your PC. When you click on Start menu, search for Roblox. If it says Roblox Player, then this means it is a desktop version. But if it only says Roblox, nothing else, and doesn't give you any open file location option, then it means it is Microsoft version. So you need both of them to play from different accounts at the same time. How you can get them is very easy. I'm gonna tell you how you can get them. To get the desktop version, simply open any browser you like, just like click on download Roblox and click on download Windows app. It will be downloaded as desktop version. You just have to log in your ID in it, and then once it will be downloaded as desktop version, now you have to get Microsoft version. To get Microsoft version, just go to Microsoft Store, search for Roblox. As you can see, this says Roblox Windows. Just click on get. Once you do this, you will get Roblox Microsoft version. Then you just have to log in your other Roblox ID which you want to play with your main Roblox ID. Make sure you do not log in with the same account on both of the versions, as this will not work and this won't let you play from two accounts at the same time. Once you do this, you will be able to play from both IDs at the same time together. So that is it for today's video. If this guide was helpful for you guys, please consider subscribing and leave a like, comment. Thanks for watching.